So today I will show you how to draw balloon, use balloon, use shapes. So let's go to insert. The first shape we use the circle one. And then let's medium the size. Then insert another shape to here, and move it to the middle, and insert another one. So use curve. Double click to finish. Maybe move this one to a little bit center, and we change the color. Change this one, the outline, change to no outline. Okay. Then let's select all of them. Press Ctrl and click it. Copy. Paste. We keep the source format. Okay. And we move it to the other side. Paste it again. And paste it again. So now we have 4 of them. For this one, we can change the color to red. Change this color, red again, and change this one to red. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Change this one to red, okay? And for this one, I change it to yellow. Yellow, and outline to yellow, okay? And for this one, we change to green. Okay. Oh, we can also change the outline to green. And this one, the outline we change to yellow. Or a little bit this yellow, okay? And for this one, we change to red. Now we need to select all of them. And right click, group them. And for the same thing for the blue one, right click, group them. For this one, also Control, click, group them. This one, same thing, group them. Now we move it to here, and we turn it a little bit. This one, turn it a little bit, and this one, put it to the center. And at this time, we need to move this to back, center back. Okay. So the first one, we have 4 balloons, and we select all of them. Control, click, group them together. Okay. Now we can resize it. And copy, paste, paste another one. So for this one, we go back to format and rotate it. So one put this side, and another one put this side. Okay, then we can put a happy birthday, something like that, to make a birthday card. That's it. Hope this can help you. Bye-bye.